Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I installed this glueless closure wig. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay guys, so today we are working with Premium Lace Wig Fashion and Beauty. I'm just gonna quickly unpackage my box and show you guys what I received. So I got a service card with all the information that you would need about this company. I got a wig cap, some bobby pins, a melt band, some eyelashes, some clips, a tail comb, and of course the wig itself. So this was a 5x5 straight 24-inch closure wig, and it is a wear and go wig, so all you really need to do is put it on. So I'm just showing you guys the inside of the wig. It has two combs at the side, one in the middle and one at the back. It also has a non-slip grip going around the wig, and also an adjustable band inside the wig so you can adjust it so it can fit your head tighter or looser. Now I'm just showing you guys the hairline. They already plucked it for you as well, and the lace on my skin, it looked super good. So yeah, this is how it looks. The lace is also cut, so when they say wear and go, guys, you literally could just put this wig on, style it however you want, and go. So let's get into this install. So of course my hair is braided straight back. I normally do 6 braids, guys, and you want to make sure your braids are nice and flat. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put on my wig cap. Once my wig cap is on, I'm going in with my cream concealer and my makeup brush, and I'm just going to apply it on the top of the wig cap and also on the back of the lace, as well as the top actually. So because this is literally going to just get put on, I'm not doing any melting with the glue or none of that. I am just going to apply it to the front and back of the closure. So now that I've applied the concealer everywhere, I'm going to put the wig on. So I like to take the comb at the back of the wig and stick it into the back of the wig cap and just pull the wig forward. And that way I know it is in the middle. And if you could see my reaction, I was just shocked as how, like, it just looked so good as I put the wig on. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, use my tail comb that was sent to me in the package, and I'm going to find my middle part. I didn't have my wax stick, so I went in with some Murray's beeswax, and I just put that on the top of the closure just to flatten it out. So I will be using my hot comb and just pressing it through. So now that it's looking nice and flat, I'm gonna go ahead and also just hot comb that hairline portion. Just because I'm not gonna be doing any baby hairs, I want it to look nice and sleek. And after pushing back the hairline, I realized that there was a little bit of extra lace I could take off. It is not necessary, but I like when the hair is just there and there's no extra lace. So I'm just honestly cutting off a little bit of the lace. So once I'm done cutting it, I'm just going to show you guys, like, it's really nothing, but sometimes you just have to do the extra stuff. So now that that's done, I'm just going in with my BioSilk and I'm just going to spread that throughout the hair. Then I'm going to be using my Babyliss flat iron and I'm just going to straighten the hair so that it is the bone straight. Alright, so this is how the hair is looking now that it has been straightened. And I'm just going over the top part with the hot comb just for that finishing touch. Do you guys see how this hair is looking? It was so nice and silky. So now I'm going in with my BioSilk Shine On Spray and I'm just spraying that all over. And I also like spraying it on my hands and putting it on the hair as well. And then I will be going in with my olive oil sheen and spraying that all over as well. So if you guys have noticed, there is a mark on the part, so you could see the wig cap and it was kind of bothering me. If you do not need to wear a wig cap, I really don't suggest it, but I just sprayed some color on it real quick and that was that. So I'm just showing you guys that I can take off the wig, put it on, no problem. It looks great. So this is what you would consider a wear and go. You literally put it on, take it off, and that's that. No glue or anything like that. All the work has been done for you. Shout out to Premium Lace Wig for sending over this unit. If you guys are interested, all their details will be down in my description box below, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video if you enjoyed this easy install. Such a beautiful protective style. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.